This is Make Money Joe, and today I'm going to share with you 3 easy ways to make money online, and the third one has crazy potential, so make sure to stay until the end to maximize your income. On top of this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you're in the know about all the different ways you can make money online. Let's get into it. The first big way of making money I'm going to show you requires no prior experience or any university education, and you can start right now. First, you're going to want to head over to Fiverr.com and then search for beta reading. You will see a lot of listings of people offering their feedback/opinion on a customer's book or novel. You can charge as much as $100 for simply reading someone's book and giving them constructive feedback. If you want to be competitive, you can lower the price to seem like a more attractive offer, but this is up to you. Number 2, I found a way that you can make $30 an hour for as little as only 10 minutes work. First off, you're going to want to go to Google, type in Google Translate in the search bar. From here, you can translate anything you want from English to almost any language. Spanish, Russian, Italian, you name it, it's most likely there. Next, you're going to want to go to quickengigs.com. Type in translation in the search bar at the top and you'll see people charging anywhere between $5 and $25 just to translate online. Like I said before, you can charge whatever you like, so the earnings are really in your own hands. If you found this helpful so far, hitting the subscribe button is the best way you can support me and is massively appreciated. And here is the final money maker for this video. Stay until the end to fully maximize your profits. This is another Fiverr gig, so as before, go to fiverr.com. This time around, you're going to want to search for remove background. Here you will see listings for people offering to remove the background from images to leave it transparent. Now you may be thinking, I can't use Photoshop, it's too difficult, takes too much time, etc. When in reality, it's as simple as heading to remove.bg. It's a free website which will remove the background of any image you upload within seconds. Most people on Fiverr charge for multiple background removals, for example 10 for $5. But as it takes no time at all, this isn't a problem and can be very lucrative. If you reach this far, you're a certified legend and are on your way to making easy money online every day. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you found this helpful. Leave a comment below on your thoughts, and until next time, goodbye.